Gawa tayo ng dalawang klaseng breakfast croissant sandwiches. Tingnan nyo naman, itsura pa lang talagang overloaded na at complete meal talaga. Napakasarap nito guys at hindi na natin kailangan pumunta sa cafe para makakain ito. Let me show you how I made it. We're using my leftover croissants na tinake out namin from Baker's Champ. We'll just slice and toast that, tapos we'll crisp up some bacon and make some buttery scrambled eggs. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pero very therapeutic for me ang paggawa ng sandwiches, lalo na pag picture perfect siya after kong gawin. At ngayong na-prepare na lahat ng ingredients, mag-assemble na tayo. Dito sa una, magsisimula ako by spreading some softened cream cheese. And then we'll add some tomatoes, avocados, and bacon. Maglagay rin tayo ng cheese and fresh red radishes and we're done. Dito naman sa pangalawa, we'll start by using my homemade pesto and then pile on our tomatoes, buttery scrambled eggs, cheese, bacon, and some microgreens. And just look at those two beautiful croissant sandwiches ready to serve. O ano tara, kain tayo?